What we have here is a stand, multifunctional projector stand, tripod, laptop floor stand, music book stand, projector stand, whatever you can use it for. So let's get a nice close-up look, open up the box and see what we can do with the stand. Portable, definitely indeed, comes in a nice bag. Let's open it up. A quick guide and all the pieces to put everything together for assembly. You have your tripod stand. Expand it, loosen up the bolt, tighten it up. Place one of the poles inside the shaft. Open up the base, wing nuts and 4 bolts, and the T, lock them down. All 4 are nicely locked down. We'll proceed to the next step. Unloosen the knob on the shaft. Take out the bolt. Place on. Spread the opening just a little bit. Wiggle on. Place the knob back on. This is called the mouse tray. It's got a hole, 2 tabs on the side. Slide them in. This is the Gooseneck phone holder. It unscrews. On the unit there are holes on both sides that you can simply place on. I'm going to put on the 1/4 20 thread and lock it down. I got one more pole. If I want to make it taller, I could place it in. But right now I'm all set up. I got my mouse, I got my base, and I got my gooseneck. I slide it on the bottom. I do my best to lock it into place with the other mount. You're given an Allen key that will fit in, that will loosen the bottom base up a little bit. You're wondering how to get this on here with this piece. This comes off. Use the supplied Allen key to take it off. Take the pole, match up the hole, slide on. Take the other shaft of pole, slide in, and now adjust it to the height you want and lock it down. You can take the Allen key and lock it into place. Take your laptop. This is a 16-inch laptop. It fits perfectly in. It opens up perfectly. And my mouse will have to be held in my hand and then put to the side for the mouse pad that you have over here to work on. So whatever I am doing, I have a phone cradle that I could put my iPhone 12 on, lock it in, and adjust it to the angle I want. To prevent tip over, they give you these straps that you could simply just place on. Very simple indeed. 2 of them, and lock things down. If I want to present something like a projector screen, I adjust my angle, lock it down. I could turn it towards you. I still have some force to move it. And I am able to take my shot. If it is too low, I come down below and I raise up my platform or lower it. The maximum height before tilting over can be about 5 feet tall. The legs can narrow down, but please be very careful about the unit if having something very expensive on, falling over. So this is why we have the legs at as wide as stands to prevent tip over. This is an awesome product that I could put my music book, my literature, teach, even in a studio, sharing the fun, having a gooseneck that I could put in front of me and make sure it's nice and tight so it doesn't slide down anywhere I want, and have a excellent stand at adjustable height for talking, sharing video. Screw locks into place, and you could take this off, put it in this bag, and off you go. I hope this product may be right for you.